Hey kids, got a super short video today, probably only going to be one shot. I'm on a road trip going past Radium in British Columbia, and this is about an hour away from it. We are in Marble Canyon, and I'm going to go up to the top and see if I can get one shot. There's nothing happening in the sky today, but I just want to document the journey and get maybe one shot out of it. I'm thinking with light like this, maybe black and white is the way to go. We'll see, but this place is amazing. Check it out. That is a long way down. So if you've ever been to Banff National Park and done the Johnson Canyon upper lower falls and ultimately the Inkpots hike, this is a lot more narrow than that. With Johnson, you're basically in the canyon on a boardwalk, walking along the canyon wall. With Marble, you're sitting on top. Let me show you what I mean. There's the gap of the canyon. So typically for Johnson Canyon, you'd be down near the water. Here at Marble, you're up top. They have a bunch of these awesome bridges that you walk across. Still going up, way up. Well, we made it to the top of Marble Canyon. The falls are roaring underneath me. I want to show you the setup that I found. It's going to be one shot. It's kind of hard to get a big overall shot of the falls because of just viewing platforms and accessibility. But I'll show you the shot that I came up with. I think it's kind of a neat concept for a shot. So here's the top of the canyon. Now I'm going to go vertical with this shot, as you can see here with my camera setup. But what I'm going to do is, let me move you down here. What I'm going to do is, this is going to be my subject matter. The shadow of the bridge I'm on, we're going to have the water rushing by. We're going to go a longer exposure. We're going to shoot for 2.5 seconds. I've got a neutral density filter on and a polarizer. We're rocking f20, ISO's 100, try to make the shutter time as long as we possibly can. Set a 2-second timer, focus in right on the bridge itself. I'm gonna put a 10-second timer on because of the way the bridge is, and my shadow and the sunlight hit it, walk out of frame, let the shot happen, come back in frame. It creates a lot less post-production work if I just set a 10-second timer, move out of the way. So here we go, pop the shot. I think in black and white, that's gonna be a pretty awesome shot. Well, got one shot. Not the shot I had in mind when I first got up here. I thought maybe I could get the full canyon waterfall, or a good part of the canyon waterfall and some mountains. But got one shot, like I said. I think in black and white, that might be the shot. You tell me. Here's color, and here's black and white. Which one? Well, time to get back on the road. In the meantime, and in between time, stay healthy, stay safe. I'll catch you next time, guys.
And as always, guys, please rock the subscribe button and ring the bells for notifications. We'll check you next time.